Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanius Math Tutorials. We've already set the ball rolling where we spoke about what? Subfactorial. If you are new here, kindly visit my previous lecture videos on this topic, alright? So this is just an extension or the continuation of what? Of superfactorials. So viewers, we are going to talk about what? Recursive formula, alright, regarding superfactorials. So we already know that n factorial by definition, okay, is given by n times what? They have what? N minus 1, alright, factorial this way. Is that also? So in the same vein, the factorial of n is also equal to, alright? Viewers, I don't want you to do root learning, I don't want to do chew and pour, I don't want you to memorize stuff. I want you to appreciate and come up with your own what? Methodology. So here, what do you have here? N, right? So for superfactorial of n, you have the n what? Factorial, then times, what do you have here? N minus 1, the expression n minus 1 of factorial. So for superfactorial, we have it this way. We have S n of n this way, superfactorial of what? Of n. As simple as that. Alright. So viewers, let's use the examples, okay, over here. Last year, what do we have here? When we evaluated the superfactorial of 3, we had the answer to be what? 12. Alright? And superfactorial of 4, we have this answer. So let us evaluate what? The superfactorial of 5. Alright, let me use the last one. So we have it this way. So superfactorial of what? Of 5 is equal to, what do we have over here? N what? Factorial, right? So what is my n? My n is the number 5. So I have 5 what? Factorial, then times, remember viewers, alright, oh, this is minus 1, okay? Okay, so n minus 1, so n minus what? 1, alright? So what do we have here? I have S, F, then plus. What do we have here? Look, this is 5, then minus 1, so we're having what? 4 over here. Is that not so? Because the number here is n, which is what? 5 over here. I remember, so the n, which is the number, okay, here, okay, so we're having what, n minus 1, so we're having what, 5 minus 1, which is what, my 4. So using the recursive formula, what do we know? Plus, over here, we already know what, superfactorial of 4, and superfactorial of 4 over here is what, superfactorial of 4, okay, is given by what, 288, right? So I'll be having what? 5 factorial, then times superfactorial of 4, which is equal to what? 288, right? And by the help of the calculator, what do we know? Plus, look, here. So this is, you see, this is what? The 5 what? Factorial, right? So we have 5 factorial, then times this, times this, times this, and this is the same as what? The 288. Have you seen the trick? Because we have 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial times 1 factorial, which is the same as 4 factorial times 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 1 factorial, right? So this is the same as this, which is what? The 288. So I have a 5 factorial times 200 and what? And 88. And because we are doing it what? Recursively. That's why we are going by this what? By this method, right? So straight away, I have the answer to be equal to what? 34,500 and what? And 60. As simple as that. Viewers, I will end here, okay? When I meet you next time, I'm also going to upload a video on subfactorials. But it has what? It has a different notation. Alright? Look, for this type of factorial, you see, This is what? Subfactorial, right? And we said it's what? SF of n, right? Now the other subfactorial is denoted by what? By this. We have the n and we have what? The dollar sign over here. So class, remember I said mathematics is a language. Alright? So listen. So this is not what? N dollar, alright, or n dollars. No. This is what? Super factorial of what? Of n. Where we are going to use what we call tertiation. So we'll get to an aspect of mathematics where we'll be dealing with figures like this. 6 raised to the power 6, 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 raised to the power what? 6. So this is what? This is what? Super factorials. Alright? So remember to subscribe, share it to your friends, let them benefit, okay? Bye.